Hello children, good morning, have a good day. This is Miss Aarti, Department of Mathematics from Vidya Lakshmi Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I welcome you all. Today I am going to teach you an interesting topic called triangles. Today we are going to see about the triangles and its classifications. Today I am going to teach you what is meant by triangle and what are the parts of triangle and few real life examples for triangles and how the triangles are classified. Okay. See children, first we have to know what is triangle. A simple closed figure made up of three line segments is called triangle. Three line segments. First of all, we have to know what is line segment. Line segment means it's nothing that it is a part of a line. It is part of a line, but it has two end points. Okay. So the three line segments made this triangle. Okay. Then a triangle has three parts. Three vertices, three sides, and three angles. Okay. Vertices are nothing but the corners. The corners is known as vertex. Okay. The sides means the line segments. Line segments are known as the sides. Angles means nothing but when two line segments or lines meet each other, they form an angle like this. Okay. The triangle has three angles. Then we have many real life examples for triangles in our day-to-day life. So few of it. Okay. Sandwich, birthday cap, ice cream cone, the cheese and the mountain and the nachos. Okay. These are all few real life examples for triangles. Then we are going to see how the triangles are classified. That means the types of the triangles we are going to see. The triangles are basically classified on the basis of sides and based on the angles. Okay. Then the triangles are classified based on the sides as equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. And based on the angle we have acute triangle, right triangle and obtuse triangle. Let us see all these in detail. First see scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means if the three sides of the triangles are different in length means that is called scalene triangle. See here it is 12 centimeter and this side is having 6 centimeter and this side is 14 centimeter. So the lengths are very different. So this triangle is known as scalene triangle. Next, isosceles triangle. Okay. If any two sides of the triangle are equal, then it is called isosceles. See children, here this side and this side are equal. So this triangle is isosceles triangle. Next we have equilateral triangle. Equilateral means, means we know equal. So if the three sides of a triangle are equal means then we say this as equilateral triangle. The sides mentioned as A, so measurement of other two sides also A. So this triangle is known as equilateral triangle. Before going to study the next three triangles, if we have this knowledge, we can easily understand the other three triangles. Okay, the three types of angles. Okay, see right angle. If the angle is exactly 90 degree means that is called right angle. Okay, then if the angle is less than 90 degree means that is known as acute angle, and if the angle is more than 90 degree that is known as obtuse angle. If you know all these three angles means it will be easy to you to know the other three types of triangles. Based on the angles we are classifying the triangles three types. Okay, acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. First we see what is acute angle. Acute means, I already said acute means it is less than 90 degree. Okay, if all the three angles are less than 90 degree means that triangle is known as acute triangle. See children, here 40, 65 and 75. These angles are less than 90 degree. So this triangle is known as acute triangle. Okay. Then see children, here the angle is exactly 90 degree. As I said earlier, the angle is 90 degree means that is known as right angle. Okay. So here the angle is 90 degree. That means one angle is exactly 90 degree means that triangle is known as right angle triangle or right triangle. Okay. Then obtuse triangle. Obtuse means I already said obtuse means which is more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree. See children, here 130 degree is there and also 110 degree is there. If one of the angles is more than 90 degree means obtuse triangle. These are few examples of obtuse triangles because the angle, the one angle is more than 90 degree. See, 130 is greater than 90 degree and also 110 is also greater than 90 degree. So these are examples for obtuse triangles. Yeah, I hope you all understood the types of the triangles and real life examples of triangles and parts of the triangles, everything. I hope you all enjoyed this session. Thank you. Thank you children. And also if you like the video, hit the like button, and if you want to share it with your friends, share and subscribe to your channel. Thank you. Thank you children. Bye.